In this video, you'll practice 20 essential English prepositions in speaking. Repeat every line out loud. Don't just read along. In. The keys are in my bag. The keys are in my bag. In. We live in a small town. We live in a small town. On, niece. Your phone is on the table. Your phone is on the table. On, niece. There is a picture on the wall. There is a picture on the wall. At. I'll meet you at the station. I'll meet you at the station. At. She is at the dentist now. She is at the dentist now. 2. I'm walking to school today. I'm walking to school today. 2. Please send this email to my manager. Please send this email to my manager. 4. I bought these flowers for my mum. I bought these flowers for my mum. 4. This seat is for elderly passengers. This seat is for elderly passengers. From. I'm calling from the airport. I'm calling from the airport. From. This package is from my sister. This package is from my sister. With. I'm having coffee with a friend. I'm having coffee with a friend. With. Cut the bread with this knife. Cut the bread with this knife. About. Can we talk about the new schedule? Can we talk about the new schedule? About. I'm worried about the test tomorrow. I'm worried about the test tomorrow. By. We usually travel by bus. We usually travel by bus. By. Please finish this by Friday. Please finish this by Friday. Of. Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water? Of. We reached the top of the hill. We reached the top of the hill. Over. A wooden bridge goes over the river. A wooden bridge goes over the river. Over. Put a blanket over the baby. Put a blanket over the baby. Under. Your shoes are under the bed. Your shoes are under the bed. Under. We sat under a tree at lunch. We sat under a tree at lunch. Between. The cafe is between the bank and the library. The cafe is between the bank and the library. Between. Please choose between these two shirts. Please choose between these two shirts. Near. There's a bus stop near my hotel. There's a bus stop near my hotel. Near. Please sit near the window. Please sit near the window. Behind. The parking lot is behind the supermarket. The parking lot is behind the supermarket. Behind. Your child is hiding behind the sofa. Your child is hiding behind the sofa. In front of. Please wait in front of the museum. Please wait in front of the museum. In front of. She's standing in front of the mirror. She's standing in front of the mirror. Next to. Can I sit next to you? Can I sit next to you? Next to. The pharmacy is next to the bakery. The pharmacy is next to the bakery. Without. I can't open this jar without help. I can't open this jar without help. Without. I'd like coffee without sugar. I'd like coffee without sugar. Before. Please call me before dinner. Please call me before dinner. Before. Wash your hands before you eat. Wash your hands before you eat. After. Let's meet after work. Let's meet after work. After. Take this medicine after breakfast. Take this medicine after breakfast. That's the end. Nice work. One tip to get much more out of this. Come back and do this video again 2 or 3 times over the next few days. Short practice, repeated across days, works far better than one long session. See you in the next one.